want to look for the lumen, because that's going to be where your starting point when you're epithelium. So you're always going to look for the lumen. In the duodenum slide, it's actually really easy to see because they have it a cross section through the entire duodenum. So you see on the slide, you'll see the entire circle. Even on the slide before you put it on there, you can see the middle. You can see the lumen. So that's kind of an easy one. But this is the lumen here, this open space in the center there. These folds that you see are the villi. Okay? And so we're going to, actually the villi are these folds here, sorry. So these folds that you see in the epithelium that go in, those are the villi. Those are those little, on the surface that allow for increase in surface area. We're going to go into look at closer view. You're going to need to be able to do this on 40x. Okay. But on 10x, let me just take you through quickly. All right, so the mucosa in the duodenum is actually quite large. It goes from here to here. Actually, maybe even a little. Once we get up close, we'll be able to see that muscularis mucosae. But it's this kind of purplish layer goes from here to here. These structures here we'll talk about in a little bit. But that's the mucosa. Below that, you have the submucosa from here down to here. Submucosa. And then you start to see your muscle cells, and those should look familiar to you right now. These are smooth muscle cells. The very first layer you're going to hit is the circular layer. And you can already see that this looks different from that model as far as what the circular layer looks like. Okay? But this is going to be your circular layer of the muscularis externa. And then as you go down, you're going to see the muscle cells, the appearance of them change, and that's just because they're going a different direction. And this is the longitudinal layer of the muscularis externa. Now the problem where I've chosen here, the serosa is kind of missing, which happens because it comes off when they're preparing the slide. Let's see if we can find serosa anywhere. There's a little bit serosa out there. Wish they had. Here we are. Okay, so out here, outside of that longitudinal layer of muscles, you have connective tissue. You can see there's some adipocytes in there, all that good stuff. That is